Hi, I'm Paul and welcome to Cambodia. Nothing like getting up, I'm all ready to go to the gym and discovered I've got a flat tyre. So luckily I had everything in the boot. I had the jack and the spare and everything like that, so I've pulled it off and changed it, and I know that there is a tyre changing man across the road, so I'll get it ready and I'll head over there with it. And don't forget, if you're enjoying these videos and you're interested in what goes on in Cambodia, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and come along for the ride, and I'll try and show you what everyday life is like, and see you next video. Yeah, so here I am across the road at the tyre repair man. And, he's jacked it up himself and he's repaired the tyre already, and he's going to change this. This is the spare that's on it. We'll put this back in the boot in a minute, and he'll put the good tyre on, the repaired tyre back on, and we'll be on our way. Yeah, he's all finished with the tyre. Now he's going to run around and check all the tyre pressures for me, and we'll be on our way. And of course the bill, 10,000 real, $2.50.